Hi, welcome to Gracie's Goose. I wanted to share with you today that I am going to be doing Quick Fix Wednesdays, which are going to be 5 to 8 minute, just little videos to show you little quick fixes that you can make at home while you have those busy schedules and put something really great together in a short time. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on this quick fix, super energy charged breakfast that's very, very healthy for you, and I guarantee you're gonna absolutely love it. So the first thing we wanna do is we take our half a cup of oatmeal. Now you could obviously use more. The reason why, and it has to be the old-fashioned oats too, you know, the bigger grains. Is because, you know, I like to keep my breakfast, lunch, and dinner like around 300 to 400 calories. So a half a cup of oatmeal is 150 calories right there. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put a little sprinky dink of cinnamon. Oops, wrong side. Okay, so you just want to put, and I put a generous amount on there, about like that, because I love cinnamon, and cinnamon is a natural blood sugar, it lowers your blood sugar, and it's very healthy for you. So anyway, so put about that much cinnamon, and then I want to put about 1/3 of a cup of water, just like that, and then we're going to go ahead and nuke it. 1 minute, okay? So, ding, ding, ding. Who would ever thought breakfast could be that quick in 1 minute? Wait till you guys see this. You're going to love it. Okay, so after your oatmeal is nuked for 1 minute, you just kind of want to give it a quick stir. And I like my oatmeal to be a little bit chewy. Remember what I told you the other day? I just don't like mush unless it's like mashed potatoes or something. Okay, so you just kind of want little chunky pieces like that. If you do like it mushy, then add more water. You can even use an instant oatmeal if you'd like. It just happens to be something I like. Okay, so now once that's done, then you're gonna pour your fruit in. And this is just some frozen berries. These are all my faves. And the strawberries, I tend to like to just break those up a little bit, but everything else is fine. And I have used mix that have cherries in it. Oh my God, super bomb. Okay, so anyway, you want to add your berries. Make sure they're thawed too, okay? And if you take them out and you decide, oh heck, I want a bowl of oatmeal, all you have to do is nuke your berries. I actually thawed them out this morning. Then you want to take a half a banana, and again, I'm watching my calories, so a half a banana is more than enough. There. Okay, so what I like to do is cut my banana down the center like that, and then I turn it and cut it like this. And then I cut little chunks in here like so. Okay, just like that. And then just give it a little stir. Mix your fruit up in there. All those pretty colors going on. Okay. So once you have that, then, now I know this is going to seem kind of strange, but it's so good. This is vanilla creamer that you would just put in your coffee. I like to use the non-fat, but you can certainly buy the whole fat. Delicious. You just pour that all over the top, just like that. The oatmeal's gonna just drench it up. Then this is shredded coconut. You just want to drop some of your coconut over the top, like so. Okay. And then I like to use slivered almonds, and then I top it off with some slivered almonds as well. And there you have it. And let's go ahead and give this a taste. Take a smaller bite this time. It's so healthy, absolutely delicious. You won't be fighting with your kids in the morning. Everybody will love it. Try it.